here again on your screens. Okay, today we're gonna learn about animal classes. Mr. Min and Mr. Mari, we're going to tell you about animal classes. And the first one is mammals. Mammals are the largest animal class. Mammal females feed their youngest with milk. So like lions, cat, human, dogs, elephant. Yes. Second one is birds.
It's a creature with wings and feathers. Okay. And they usually can fly.
Yes.
Okay.
Like parrot,
eagle,
and
penguin. Penguin cannot fly.
No. Okay. Number 3 are reptiles. Reptiles are the class of animals who change their blood temperature according to outside temperature, and also their skin are covered with hard metal, like snakes, lizards,
Crocodile.
yes, and turtles. Good. Number 4 is fish.
Okay. Fish has gills and fins, and they live in water. Like shark,
Dolphins,
and
tuna,
tuna.
salmon, yes, seahorse as well.
Oh, seahorse.
Yes. Okay. And the last one are insects. Very small animal.
Many legs.
Yes. They can fly.
They're
scary. I don't like them. Like cockroaches. Oh my god. In Vietnam you have big cockroaches. Why? Bees, fly, butterfly. Butterfly are beautiful. Let's repeat all 5. First one, mammals. We are mammals.
Okay.
Number 2, birds.
Birds has wings and feathers.
And they can fly. Third is reptiles. Reptiles are very scary. Like number 4, fish.
Okay.
Fish lives
Gills and fins and live underwater.
And the last one, insects. Small, tiny animals.
And scary.
And very scary. Okay, that's all for today.
Let's like and subscribe this channel for more interesting videos.
Stay safe.
Bye.